Evaluate 11 plus bracket 12 divided by parentheses 20 divided by 20 times 4, close parentheses, close brackets. So whenever you see all these parentheses and a bunch of numbers and a bunch of operations, you're going to use what's called the order of operations. And I remember the order of operations by using something called PEMDAS. Now, what does that stand for? Well, the P stands for do everything inside the parentheses first. Not only do I have parentheses, I have brackets as well. Brackets are a special type of parentheses, so we will get back to this rule when we have to deal with it. E stands for exponents. MD stands for multiply, divide, left to right. Now, this doesn't mean you always multiply before you divide. This just means you scan and you go left to right and see which one you have to do first, left to right. Same thing with addition, subtraction. Doesn't mean you always add first and then subtract second. You scan left to right and you do whatever one of these first, depending on moving left to right. Now, whenever you start out and you see parentheses living inside brackets, you first must do everything inside the innermost parentheses first. Now, inside the innermost parentheses, I have my own PEMDAS problem. I have 20 divided by 20 times 4. When you have a PEMDAS problem inside parentheses, you follow what you're supposed to do. 20 divided by 20 times 4. Well, there's no exponents in there, and I have multiplication and division. Now this says you go left to right. So what I need to do is I need to do division first, because going left to right, I divide first. So 20 divided by 20 is 1. Now you drop down everything else you haven't touched. Times 4, inside there, you have 11 out here, you have bracket 12 out there, you have divided by 12, or 12 divided by that, and then you have another bracket. Now we are still not done inside the innermost parentheses. Inside the innermost parentheses, I have 1 times 4. So I'm going to write out that 1 times 4 is 4. Now we write out everything else that we haven't touched yet. 11 plus bracket, 12 divided by that parentheses, and then close the bracket. Now that we're done inside the innermost parentheses, we can work inside the bracket. So inside the bracket, I have 12 divided by 4, which becomes 3. So I'm going to write a 3 there, and I'm going to drop down everything else I haven't touched yet. 11 plus bracket, close bracket, and then 3 on the inside. And so basically, I'm done my parentheses and my brackets. I have no exponents. What I have left over, not multiplying or dividing, I just have an addition problem. So 11 plus 3 is 14. And so after all that, my answer becomes 14.